and welcome to our sensational exclusive listing, Dos Mimosas. My name is Julie and I will guide you today, and I promise you, you will be impressed over the nice sea and mountain view and the huge garden. This Andalusian style property is divided in two residences, the main house and the guest house. In total, the property is offering you 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms. We have also 2 double garages and such amazing garden of almost 6,000 square meters plot. Welcome to the main house. Here's a huge dining and living area, and it offers you from each point an amazing sea and mountain view. The property Dos Mimosas is offering a beautiful view to the La Concha mountain, the Mediterranean Sea, the Marbella Bay, and just here now down is the Elviria city center with all amenities and the popular beach club, the Nikki Beach. This is the most beautiful area of the house. It is a chill and barbecue area where you just basically enjoy the lifestyle of this property. Let me guide you now to our guest house, which is offering 3 bedrooms in suite. And a little surprise, you will see an art gallery room. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you liked our property tour of the Andalusian style Dos Mimosas.